Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the demonstration of the Realme X1 Max device using the Realme UI 3.0 Gain Space application. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my users asking me to do this kind of testing on the Realme X1 Max, whether this phone can actually support the Realme UI's 3.0 Game Space APK or not. So right now I do have the Realme GT device. As you can see, this is a Realme GT which has got the Realme UI 3.0, which is a beta version which right now available. And this couple of changes has been happened in this device. For example, in terms of the gain space, the complete APK has been redesigned. Yes, completely. I mean, it's not the new thing, which is similar to the OnePlus Nord 2's APK. So there is nothing much new happened at this moment. But still, few of the users, they want to know, using this APK, can we use in the Realme X1 Max and can we make it work or not? That is a question a lot of users are actually having. And finally, I did install. Can clearly say, friends, I did install the gain space, so which is a new one from the Realme UI 3.0, and this is a Realme UI 2.0 gain space. Okay, both I did have in one single phone, which is a Realme X1 Max device at this moment. The only thing is that you will be able to install successfully. Okay, that's perfect, no problem. Sometimes it will take a couple of force stops as well. Automatically you can see how it's reacting. It's not performing that well. I'll let you show you the app info details so you may be able to understand what APK version. So 1.2.1, 1.2.1, exactly similar APK only I'm trying to use. So what is happening is that you will be able to open the gain space, but one thing, you won't be able to utilize this gain space. So there all the settings will be unlocked. You'll be able to change some of the settings. Sometimes it does work, sometimes it doesn't work. As you can see, you can change the layout and you can check the graph usage, what games you are trying to play. And most of the time this application will definitely force stop. It's not working that accurate. So let me to open one game. I did open this game and you won't get any kind of real-time FPS meter or any kind of gain space, nothing at all. It won't be working at this moment. So that's kind of another drawback. For example, same game I did add into the gain space 2.0. In the 2.0, you'll get the 2.0 version. If you try to open from the gain space 3.0 from the Realme UI, they'll let you to open the game. Even if you open from this game space, you will be getting same previous Realme UI 2.0 gain space only. You can clearly see here, friends. So it's not working at this moment. Definitely, maybe next we need to wait for the official update. Only then you will be able to get this kind of Realme UI 3.0 floating FPS meter, all this kind of options. This is the one main reason why a lot of users, they want to install this APK in the Realme X1 Max to get to know whether the Badlands mobile game is playing at 90 FPS consistently or not. Always a FPS drop test. All these things they want to figure out by using this floating FPS meter. But unfortunately, we cannot use at this moment in the Realme X1 Max with the Realme UI 3.0 APK. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates, because I'm getting a lot of comments asking me to post this APK in the Telegram group and everything. Even if I post the APK in the Telegram group, you cannot utilize. It's kind of waste. As you can see, it's not even functioning properly at all. You cannot even go to the settings option sometimes. As you can see, friends. So I did try in a couple of other Realme phones. Same thing has happened in other Realme phones as well. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.